Have you ever looked at a chart or graph, felt a gut feeling that something wasn't quite right, but couldn't put your finger on why? It happens more often than you think. When interpreting data visualizations, you should watch for manipulated axes, misleading use of color, and cherry-picked data. These common errors can easily distort the truth and lead to incorrect conclusions about important demographic trends or other information. These errors often stem from a desire to make data tell a specific story, whether intentionally or not. For instance, a truncated y-axis, meaning it does not start at 0, can exaggerate small differences, making minor changes appear significant. Our brains are wired to interpret visual space as representing magnitude, so when that space is distorted, our perception follows. Similarly, using a color scale that implies a progression where none exists, or highlighting only certain data points, plays on our cognitive biases, guiding us towards a predetermined conclusion. To protect yourself from these visual deceptions, always start by checking the axis labels on any chart. Ensure the y-axis, which typically represents quantity or value, begins at 0 unless there is a very clear and valid reason for it not to. Also, pay close attention to the scale. Are the increments uniform and logical? Next, evaluate the colors used. Are they intuitive, or do they seem designed to create an emotional response or exaggerate differences? Finally, look for missing data points or timeframes. A sudden jump or drop might be explained by missing information that would provide crucial context. An insider tip is to be particularly wary of pie charts with too many slices or three-dimensional charts, which can often be difficult to read accurately due to perspective distortion. Also, be on the lookout for a phenomenon called Simpson's paradox. This is where a trend appears in several different groups of data but disappears or reverses when these groups are combined. It is a subtle but powerful way data can mislead if not analyzed carefully. By adopting a critical eye and understanding these common pitfalls, you become a much savvier consumer of information. You will be able to distinguish between visualizations that genuinely inform and those that subtly attempt to persuade or misdirect, allowing you for more accurate understandings of the world around you.